Queen Isabella enters. Elara, what's on your mind? Elara asks about King Aric's youthful appearance. Queen Isabella reveals the king's secret. Elara shocked. He sacrificed innocent lives. Elara determined, this must end. Elara and Lucas collect soil outside. Elara cries onto the soil. King Aric rushes in. Elara, what have you done? Elara calmly replies to her father. Father, aging is natural. We must do good to be remembered. King Aric looks at Elara, realization dawning. A new chapter begins in the kingdom.